What's up, guys? I just carried the auger out into the middle of the lake and I got everything I need. I got my rod, my tip up, baits, tackle, and building knife. So let's drill some holes. Got my 2 holes drilled, so I'm gonna put the tip up over there and then I'm gonna just fish manually from this one. Got this set up, got the worm. Yeah, I think the fish will bite this. Down the hole. It's minus 27 out here. I got my ski pants wet and now I'm like really cold. So if I don't catch anything in the next 10 minutes, I think I'm gonna pack up and come out here later. So yeah, guys, I just came in from fishing and it is freezing out there. It's like minus 30, so I'm gonna go out later and I'm gonna see if I can catch something. What's up, guys? Just leaving the cabin. Didn't have much luck on my own, so I'm gonna go to my friend's ice fishing shack and see if I can catch one. And did I ever. These fish were jumping out of the hole. The second I got there, I dropped the line, 6.5 pound pike. It was really, really nice. Here is a photo of the fish. And I caught some really, really nice fish. So now I'm gonna show you how I cook them and clean them. It's ready to eat, so this is looking so good. Nice and warm, perfect goldeny flavor. I'll do a taste test after this. Here we go. This is just the perfect temperature. It's so fluffy, just falls apart. The lemon pepper. This is a 9.5 out of 10. Subscribe.